In this video, I'm going to show you the different themes you can apply to your 3D map inside of Excel. So I'm just going to show you, this one has actual satellite imagery, which is really cool. Definitely useful in my opinion. Over here, this one's like a black and white, right? All of this works the same way that Google Earth works, kind of, except you have these themes. It's pretty neat. This is black and white, okay, so nothing useful there. This is kind of a black gray, alright? Kind of a one to provide some more contrast, right? This one is just white on white with just boundaries. Oh, that just enabled map labels, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to take that off for now. That was kind of an accident. This is kind of white on gray. Over here, this is kind of just a fuzzy green. It looks like mold. This one, kind of a nice like traditional like water look over here, and then this is a high contrast blue. I'm not exactly sure why you'd use that. I just had this data here from this these fake company sales in here, and it's clashing pretty hard with colors right now. But anyhow, I just want to show you that yeah, you can turn on your map label so you can see where everything is at, and that is pretty cool just to kind of have as part of your overall your presentation and everything in there. So yeah, that's the themes that you can use for your 3D map inside of Excel. Thank you for watching.